How exciting! New box. 4 books, supplies, or school supplies. Oh, wow, how exciting. Look at all these colorful pencils. They're amazing. The colored pencils. Oh my gosh, these have erasers. They're so cool. And these pencil pouches. Oh my gosh, it's so fun to get stuff. It's all colorful and everything. I mean, take a look at this. Pastel colored pencils. It's so exciting. All right, what else do we have in here? Of course, this is the world's best pencil. Ticonderoga. They are the best. They erase proficiently and they write and sharpen wonderfully. This is folders. Look at all these colorful folders. And there's composition books down in there, right there. Let's see what's inside this white box. Ooh, fancy clipboards. I like it. I love using clipboards with my students, with work that we're working on currently. This would be like, all right, get your clipboard, get your papers, get them ready. And these come in all different fun colors. Okay, now we have the bigger box. Let's see what's inside there. It's like Christmas. Oh my gosh, more boxes. All right, this is filler paper. I don't need to open that. And we got chalk sharpeners, I'm telling you. You can never have enough sharpeners, even if you have a classroom sharpener, even if you only have 12 students, you still need individual mini sharpeners. The kids love them anyway. It's so much fun. And then you're like, anybody need a sharpener? And you start passing them out like candy every week because they only last a week or two. But these are so fun. Super little. Like I said, they only last a week or two. Hey, anybody need a new sharpener? There you go. So that's fun. 3-ring binder notebooks. Let's see how they look. Ooh, pretty. I've got a pink one. Oh, these are so nice. Green one. They match the clipboards. Isn't that exciting? Oh my gosh. And then a light blue one. So pretty. And this grayish, bluish one. Now, the great thing about these binders that we call notebooks is this is for notebooking. All right, so you can put a piece of paper inside here as a cover, inside here. And then you open it up and it's a D-ring because you want all the papers to lie flat. And then it's a one-touch open, one-touch close. Do not make your children do that. It's easy to just click it open, close it. Oh, and when they have a bunch of papers in here and they have to get to one of them, make sure they go up and over to close it, you know? Teaching self-government with the notebooks. Hi friends, I have another box. It's so exciting. I love ordering curriculum and I love getting it in the mail. This is from Rainbow Resource. I get all my stuff from Rainbow Resource, you know, all the books. So this is what you're gonna see, what I buy for 11 students this year. And 2nd grade through 8th grade. So here we go. We got your Worldly Wise. I use this every year. It's so easy. I don't even have to teach anything. But they're getting a solid foundation in vocabulary. If you don't use this curriculum, you should use it. It's great for independent learning. And it comes in all levels from 2nd grade on. Now I just get it for my older kids because I don't think it's good for younger kids. For the younger kids, I get Explode the Code. Oh my gosh. Super cute, super fun, easy worksheets to do. And they have all the way from book 1, I believe. So this is book 5 and 6. But there's 8 books for kindergarten through 2nd grade. So you can do 2 or 3 per year. You can even do 1 per year if you wanted. But super fun. Then reading comprehension in varied subjects. This is just once a week. They read a passage and they do these activities where they have to answer questions in sentence form, find the main idea, find the facts, true or false, order the events. So all of these activities go beyond the facts, determine the writer's style, and all this other stuff, the word meaning and everything goes back to what did you read in the text. All right, so this is great for teaching reading without teaching reading, because all you do is encourage your child to go back to the text. That's the habit of Christian self-government and Christian character that you need to develop in your child, no matter what you're doing. All right, here's book 2. And they have 3 books only, and those start in upper elementary. Here's more of Explode the Code, number 4. And you can go to the website and see the table of contents of all of these. Here's number 3 and number 2 and 1. Super fun. Oh my gosh. I just love Explode the Code. And it goes along with the strategies, methods, and philosophy that I teach. Okay, the other one I absolutely love, Analytical Grammar. Oh my word. This is so good in teaching children to think critically and follow procedures, to reason from truth and apply the truth to their subject. I'm telling you, biblical worldview right here. You don't have to use the Bible to teach biblical worldview, but you need the Bible to teach biblical worldview. This is level 3, so this is more advanced. I would say level 1, there's a level 2 that I don't necessarily use because I don't need it, but it's more of a mechanics type book. But this is analyzing sentences, so we're talking 5th grade and above. And then, of course, you know, we have to have our thesaurus because I want to teach my kids to be creative in their writing and to find different words to say the same thing. So I got several of those, and then of course, I got a new set of Abeka readers. They're super cute. There's 8 books in this, and I just think they're cute. So that will be for my 2nd graders who don't read that well. But don't tell them. Don't tell them I said that. All right, so I got a couple sets of those. I have older sets of these, and I just was like, I need an upgrade. And that's it for the unboxing of Rainbow Resources.